15 minutes on.
15 minutes on. Is there any reason bakit?
Para lang hindi po madry yung roots sa gabi.
Okay.
Kasi pag mainit po dito, talagang mainit. So, may possibility na mag-dry yung roots niya. At saka yun yung nakasanayan ko. Tapos nakita ko, okay naman. Kasi sabi nga nila, patayin na daw sa gabi kasi wala namang photosynthesis. Ang habol ko naman doon is hindi ma-dry up yung, yung roots.
Lilinawin ko lang yan. Lilinawin ko lang yung practice na yan. I hope I'm not hitting a nerve. So, there's that practice in hydroponics na nagpapatay ng irrigation sa gabi. Kasi nila, exactly because of that, wala namang photosynthetic activity. That's correct. However, photosynthesis relies on light as one of the components to make sugars o pagkain ng water. Sa gabi, yung respiration, yung ginagamit yung sugar para sila ay tumubo, maging masigla, maging healthy, fight against diseases. Respiration po ang tawag doon. So kinukuha ng halaman yung energy na yon from the sugars. So, photosynthesis requires light. Yeah? However, respiration, tuloy-tuloy po yan.